Hi guys, welcome to another Theodoro Kitchen Lab. Today we're gonna do a very simple couscous salad, tabouleh. Beautiful salad for summertime, or if you want a light lunch with fish side or a chicken or anything that you would like. Great herbs inside of it. Beautiful salad. So it's very simple, and let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, we're gonna need 125 grams of couscous combined with 125 grams of boiled water. So we're gonna mix everything together. We're gonna stir nicely, and we're gonna cover for 5 minutes. So that's the first step. We're keeping it tight, close, like this, for 5 minutes. In the meantime, we can start with the chopping, with the herbs and the tomatoes, and we're gonna combine everything in this nice bowl. So I'm gonna start with my spring onion. So we cut it in half, yes, and we finely chop it. So the onion goes in, the chives, so this is it. Chive goes in. We're gonna continue with our parsley. This is the ingredient, the key ingredient, like the parsley. Is almost the main ingredient in this salad. And we're gonna also add some mint, which it gives the freshness with the lemon and all these herbs, like it's bringing it to the next level. That's it. Here. We continue with the mint. The mint always one time is gonna get black, and we don't want that, so you don't cut again. Whatever you cut right now is fine, or whatever you do. So that's it. Mint goes in. We have another 3 minutes for the tabouleh, for the couscous. So we're gonna cut our tomatoes. So cut them in half. Take the center out. So what's happening with the tomatoes? We want them like small dice. And to do that, we're gonna cut them again, and with that way we're gonna take out the seeds. I'm gonna put them here. See, nice. No seeds. We're going to cut it dice. So yeah, make a nice line, whatever you can handle with your hands, and just start like chopping it. The couscous probably right now is gonna be ready. I'm gonna check it as long as I finish with the tomato. We are done over here. So tomato goes in. So yep, it looks ready. The tabbouleh is ready. So this goes also in. Break it a little bit like this. And put it in, all of it as it is. Nice. So for that we're gonna need the zest of a lemon, we're gonna start with the juice of half lemon and we're gonna taste it as we go. Be careful for the seeds. I got all of them here. Goes in. So we're gonna need olive oil, Artius olive oil, extra virgin oil. Nice, it's beautiful. And we mix everything together. Yep. So this is it. This is how it should look. Now the only thing that we need to do is taste it and see. Oh, we didn't salt. We need to add salt. And some pepper. Nice black cracked pepper. It might need a little bit more lemon juice. We're gonna check it right now. So let's see. Yes. Definitely we need a little bit more lemon juice. So we stir again. It's so fresh, it's so tasty. The lemon, oh my god, and you need to keep it in the fridge to cool down completely, and it's gonna be like completely better. So let's plate it, and you just like, this is something to share or like side dish. It's a beautiful salad, very fresh, very healthy. Everything that we cook, it matters to be healthy. A little bit more extra virgin olive oil. And that's it. Tabouleh salad with couscous and fresh herbs, like beautiful. I hope guys you like it, try it. Don't forget to like it and subscribe, and see you on the next Kitchen Lab. Thank you for watching.